And out. 3-all.
Well, that's a great shot from Peter Barker. You can't leave the ball there.
And out.
Great triple boast there
10-5, game ball.
from Peter Barker to give him 5 game balls.
Well, there you go. It's a nice angle from Peter Barker. Closes out that first game.
Barker leads.
How do you reckon Surav's going to get into this?
Well, if he carries on doing what he's doing at the moment, it's simple. He won't. But the key is he's got to start to go high on that front wall, I think. He needs to buy himself time because at the moment he's all at sea. I mean, to be fair to Peter Barker, he's been absolutely clinical so far. Well, he's on the run. That's going to be it. And Peter Barker secures the second game against an increasingly dejected Surav Ghosal.
2 games to love.
Well, that's a bit more like it from Ghosal. He actually opened up the court a bit more and got a bit of reactive stuff going on, and that's what he's very good at.
3-7.
Sure.
It's a lovely touch there from Ghosal, but then he was punished by Peter Barker. Couldn't make that drive.
Well, Ghosal hadn't put Peter Barker out of position enough to be able to take that ball in, and it means that Peter Barker now has 6 match points, and there it is, the error from Ghosal. Peter Barker coming through potentially a very tough battle, but he came through with flying colours.
11-3.
So in a quick fire 37 minutes, it's Peter Barker that takes that match, winning it 11-5, 11-3, 11-4 to progress into the quarterfinals.
And out. 2-5.
And there's the raw power.
No lead.
It's a great get here from Rosner. Good pressure from the German.
10-5. Game ball.
5 game balls for the German. Peter Barker, who will be possibly playing the German. Got off, that's very honest of Raider.
5. Rosner leads.
Barker got off very quickly, but Rosner winning the first game here.
Oh, just heard the power from Simon Rosner.
And out 9-5.
Very explosive. Bang.
Well, he's going to look to put the second nail in the coffin, and that's helped by the unforced error from Raider. 5 game balls for a 2-love lead.
Game ball. Down 11-5.
So
game to Rosner.
Rosner looking very, very slick out there.
2 games to love. 4 love. Not out. 7 all.
Well, what he's doing here? For somebody that can't bend his legs at the moment, he's hitting some brilliant shots. I mean, it's not one to
9,
stride out. Still a match ball available for Rosner, and he's got to deal with this very relaxed Egyptian who's can
Could be
there
the
it
end.
is. Yeah, he couldn't get into that one.
11-9.
Well
Game
played
to
by
Rosner.
Simon Rosner.
Rosner wins.
Decent performance by
3
Raider.
games to love.
37 minutes for Simon Rosner to get past Ali Omar Raider. 11-5, 11-5, 11-9. 3 games to love.